Jesus Christ, it's filled up. I'm videoing.
I know. Video,
Damn. Look at that.
Dude, they'd sit there and fucking let the tires up for fucking minutes at a time. And it's roasted shit. Oh, he's parking now. Now, there's going to be more of them starting to do it, most likely. When one starts to do it, they all start to do it.
I want to see that RX-7 if that LS flip it out.
Ooh, you got a Hellcat? Yep. Yep.
Sure. Maybe a 6.4. Oh, he coming here.
No, I think he's backing up because of Nova. Yeah. There's a mean fucking Z28 that's an LS style. That's fucking insanely fucking.
Got the same motor you got, right?
No.
LT1?
No, it's an LS black like that, but it's a Z28. But it's completely built. Yep, here he goes. You might want to get out of the way.
You're gonna
when
burn
he hits
out.
you with that fly, right where it hurts.
Come on. Let's get on the side.
Gotta heat them motherfuckers up a lot more.
Yeah, that Nova was a lot better.
Well, that Nova's got a fucking 15,000 motor in it. Easily. It's built. That Nova's an 11-second car on the corner. That just sounds weird. I ain't never heard a Mustang that sound like that.
He going again.
Yeah. It needs to be louder than that.
Hope he heated him up.
Too much tire, not enough motor.
Hey, shit, I'm glad my car ain't parked there. Shit fly all
Oh,
over.
there's one dude lit the bus and had a brand new fucking rabbit right there. Fucking dude lit up the tires and completely melted. Dude, shit all over the front of his car. He was pissed. Ooh, nice. Like that motherfucker. Too much wheel hop. He's gonna line him up. he's well known. That's one of the shop owners of, he owns a shop that's connected to automotive, and that's his little V8 ST. Oh, I thought he was gonna line him up.
Nah, he ain't. Cop.
Huh?
Cop. 2 cops. 4 bikes.
I need to get some fucking LEDs like that for my car.
Sound good.
I need to get the white LEDs. I put LEDs in my shit so it'll make it brighter. Hey,
Got a Terminator though.
your belt below your door.
Seatbelt.
You looked at me like, what?
Right. Fuck about. Damn. Like screamed.
There's another one.
Yeah. Wastegate.
That is a badass Mustang right there. You want to find a Mustang that Fox body that just went by? Is one of the fastest around.
Damn.